Hello, today we're going to change the side marker on a 2016 Toyota Camry. We go behind the headlight. So you can see here's the headlight. The side marker bulb is right beside it. There's a little push on this tab right here. Push on that tab and slide off the connector. As you can see, connector is loose. And then just turn the bulb housing. Turn the bulb counterclockwise. It comes right out. Sylvania 168. Put it back in. Put the connector back on. We'll test it out. Bulb was good. They were trying to charge me $15 to replace the bulb. Got a 2-pack for $8. Bulb was good. Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.